Here we are going to demonstrate about dining cleaning system. So the major components of our project are rack and pinion mechanism, which is used to move the slider forward and backward, and whereas over here another rack and pinion is used to move the system up and down. And there are electronic components like Arduino, HC05 Bluetooth module, L293D motor driver ICs, regulated power supply section over there, and 4 volts 1.5 amp lead acid battery, which is used. This pair of lead acid batteries are used to give input power supply to the regulated power supply section, to which it will be converting 12 volts to 5 volts, which will be giving input power supply to the from the regulator ICs to the Arduino HC05 Bluetooth module, and another regulator IC will be giving input power supply to the L293D driver board. At the same time, these set of another L293D driver board will be giving input power supply to the motors, which is going towards the L293D driver 1 and driver 2. Driver 1 will be giving input power supply to the base motors, which there are totally 4 base motors, which you can see over here. So there are 4 30 rpm DC motors, so which is used to rotate the entire system, like forward, backward, left and right. And the another set of L293D driver is used to move the system of the rack and pinion motors, so which are high torque motors, which will be rotating at 3.5 rpm. So this is how the system is been given as an input power supply, where the commands will be getting from the Bluetooth application, which is called serial Bluetooth terminal. With the help of Bluetooth, we are going to transmit the commands. So here you can see the commands which are given previously, and let us see the demonstration right now how it works. Now send the character B. So it moves backward, so we can send the character F. It moves forward. Now we can send the character S. It gets stopped. Again you can send B and S. Now you can send the character R, small r. It moves right. When you send the character small l, it moves left. So when you send the character S, it gets stopped. So this is how the system will be moving forward, backward, left and right. Now let us see the demonstration of the rack and pinion. Now press the character U. So where you can observe the setup is moving upwards. So now you can send the character P. So it moves forward. Now you can send the character S. Stops. Q. Back. Stop. And U. It is moving up. Stop. D. It moves down. Now you can stop it. Okay, so this is how you can move up and down, go forward and backward by using an rack and pinion mechanism. Thank you.